today we're gonna break down our new sample collection called London Rollers, and this sample pack is inspired by the heavyweights like Sosa, Cloonee and a lot of other underground tech house producers. So this pack has a lot of great vocals, great bass lines, great drums. I'm gonna start with the construction kits from the pack. So this is the first one called All Day Long, and everything is royalty free, of course.
You say you want me, but you playing wrong. Baby, keep on loving me all day long. You say you want me, but you playing wrong. Baby, keep on loving me all day long.
Woo. Here it is, low end. The low end is insane.
You say you want me, but you playing wrong.
Okay, let's go to the next one. This one is called Flow.
Hey yo, don't you clear my flow.
So, and as you can see, there are a lot of construction kits in this pack. So we have tried to make it as easy as possible for you to recreate this kind of tracks.
I like to party with you. I came here for the groove. Can't stop dancing with you. Feeling the heat when we move. I like to party with you. I came here for the groove.
Wow, I really like these drums. I'm gonna break it down a little bit faster right now because we have a lot of construction kits right now and I don't want to make this video 1 hour, for example. So let's go.
I'ma make you feel good, make you wanna dance.
Let's fucking go. I really dig this. Yeah, that's awesome. Sick. Let's go to the next one. Last one.
All we is happening tonight. Just put your hands in my back.
Okay, for all the construction kits, literally just make everything whatever you want or use everything whatever you want from all the construction kits. So we have the Serum. This is probably one of the synth sounds. I don't know. Drums here, the full grooves. Everything is inside the construction kits that you hear and all these masters from them. So let's dive into the second thing, which is the drums. I'm gonna start with the full grooves. Oh, this kick drum, so nasty. And I'm gonna dive into the top loops. Oh, I really dig these drums. Now we have some modular loops here as well. And these are from Analog Synthesis, so this is real nice stuff here. And then of course we have all the separate elements from the drums, the claps, the kicks, the hats. So you can combine everything, of course. Some sick kick drums over here. Some drum fills. Yeah, this is sick. Really nice. We have some sick basses as well here. I'm gonna show you them. And of course, the key is mentioned as well. And some bass one-shots as well. And now I'm gonna dive into the effects. We have some cool effects in the pack. We have some analog build-ups. Some nice effects one-shots. And some scratches, which is used a lot by Sosa, for example. And it really works like before your drop. And we have some cool instruments, of course. I really like this kind of stuff. And we got some vocals for you as well. We have some female vocals, a lot of them as you can see, so let's just play one of them.
You say you want me, but you playing wrong. No light, no mercy. Oh, we ain't stopping tonight. Just put your hands on my back, and we can stay here all night. I like to party with you. I came here for the groove. Can't stop dancing with you. Feeling the heat when we move.
Here we have some dry and wet ones as well. And we have some glitch versions of the vocal.
You gotta keep it cool. Boy, I like the way your diamonds shine. I'ma make you feel good, make you wanna dance. Touch me slow, lose control. It's my house. Oh, you feel no light, no mercy.
And of course, some male vocals as well.
I feel this. Hey yo, man, I'm up for the ride. One time for the beat, one time for your mind.
From the ghetto, that's what's going down. Hey, you watch. You know why, man? I like this.
And we have the normal pitch.
One time for the beat, one time for the people. I can't stop this, man. I can't flop. It is bring that bass back. Don't stop. Watch me make the party rock.
So the vocals are super great in this pack again. And yeah, you can definitely use this in your next production. We have some MIDIs here as well. So if you want to have one of the bass MIDIs, for example, you can just use this as well. And of course, we have the Serum presets for you. And this time the presets are insane. So it's called London Rollers. And I'm going to show you a few of them. And I really like this. Volume a little bit down. So you have a lot of great bass sounds in this Serum preset pack. And as you can see on the names here, this is inspired by Clooney's Stephanie track. But there are also a lot of other inspirations for this Serum pack by guys like Sosa, like what I said, and a lot of other guys from this genre. If you are searching for fat bass sounds, this is definitely the pack you need for your next production. It's awesome. I love this. Crispy, modular kind of stuff. So that was the new sample collection breakdown called London Rollers. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Please leave a message, leave a like, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.